Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to calculate the moment of inertia of a T section. As we know, the product of the area and the square of the distance of the centroid of the area from an axis is known as moment of inertia of the area about that axis. So moment of inertia is represented by I. Hence the moment of inertia about x-axis is represented by Ixx, about y-axis is represented by Iyy, and about z-axis it is represented by Izz. So what is the need of calculation of moment of inertia? So when we do the theory of bending, then the bending equation is m by I sigma b by y is equal to E by R. So to solve the theory of bending, we need to calculate Ixx. When we'll do the chapter of torsion, and the torsional equation is T by J tau by R G theta by L. This is a torsional equation. So here J is polar moment of inertia, which is Izz. When we solve next chapter, column and struts, the Euler's equation is pi square EI by LE square. So here I we have to take, first we have to calculate Ixx and Iyy both. So minimum of these two we have to take in this equation. Then last chapter is slope and deflection, and the Euler's-Bernoulli's equation is EI d square y by dx square is equal to minus mx. So in this also we need to calculate I moment of inertia, which is Ixx. So accordingly it is very important to know how to calculate the moment of inertia. Now to calculate the moment of inertia, we have to follow these steps. So first step is take the axis on leftmost and bottommost on the figure. Means we have to take one axis left, that is xx dash on the figure, and another yy dash on the figure. This is at the bottommost, this is on at the leftmost. Now calculate the x bar and y bar. Then third step is apply the parallel axis theorem to calculate Ixx and Iyy. The parallel axis theorem is Ig plus AH square, Ig plus A y minus y bar whole square. This is the value of H, and Iyy is Ig plus AH square Ig plus A x minus x bar square. And fourth one is apply the perpendicular axis theorem to calculate Izz. So Izz is perpendicular axis theorem is Izz is equal to Ixx plus Iyy. Now first take the xx bar and y bar at the leftmost and bottommost axis on the figure. Now calculate the x bar and y bar. So divide this T shape into two elements. This is the first element and this one is second rectangle. So this T shape is divided into two rectangles. So to calculate x bar and y bar, the formula is x bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. So a1 is the area of element 1. Area of element 1 is 10 into 2 and x1 is the distance of the centroid of this rectangle from yy dash. This is 5 plus a2 is area of element 2. Area of element 2 is this side is 8 centimeter. 8 into 2 and distance of its centroid from yy dash is again 5 divided by a1 plus a2. a1 is 10 into 2 plus a2 is 8 into 2, comes out as 5 centimeter. So x bar is at the 5 centimeters. So if we plot the yy dash from its center, this figure is symmetric about yy dash. So we can directly write it as 10 by 2, 5, or we can calculate from this formula. Then next one is y bar. Y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Area of element 1 is 10 into 2. Y is the distance of centroid from x-axis. This is the y1. This is y1. So this y1 is 8 plus 1, 9 plus a2 is 8 into 2 into y2 is distance of a CG of element 2 from xx dash. This is y2. So this is 8 by 2, 4 divided by a1 plus a2. So this comes out at 6.77777 centimeter. Now after calculating the x bar and y bar, x bar comes out as 5 centimeter and y bar comes out as 6.777 centimeter. Now we have to apply parallel axis theorem to calculate Ixx. The parallel axis theorem becomes Ig1 plus A1 H1 square plus Ig2 plus A2 H2 square, where Ig1 is B D cube by 12, A1 H1 is Y1 minus Y bar whole square plus Ig2 plus A2 Y2 minus Y bar whole square. So B is breadth and D is depth. So parallel to x-axis, B is 10 centimeter into D. Depth is perpendicular to x-axis. This is 2 cube by 12 plus 10 into 2. Y1 is 9 minus Y bar is 6.777 square plus Ig2 is BD cube by 12. Again B is parallel to x-axis, this is 2, and perpendicular to x-axis is d. D is 8 bd cube by 12 plus a2. 8 into 2 into y2 is 4 minus y bar is 6.777 square. So when we calculate all this comes out as 314.221 centimeter की power 4. So now calculate IYY. So IYY is IG1 plus A1 H1 becomes here x1 minus x bar whole square plus IG2 A2 x2 minus x bar whole square. So IG1 is bd cube by 12. B, now b becomes 2 parallel to y axis is b. So 2 into d becomes 10 bd cube by 12 plus a1 x1 minus x bar, both are 5, x bar is 5, x1 is 5. So this term becomes 0, this term also becomes 0. So IG2 is b is parallel to y axis, this is 8, and d is 2 cube by 12. So after calculation the value comes out as 172 centimeter to power 4. Now to calculate IZZ, so do the summation of IXX and IYY. So after doing summation, the value of IZZ comes out as 486.221 centimeter की power 4. So this is the way we can calculate IXX, IYY and IZZ. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay home and save lives. Thank you very much.